Here we go, walking around. Maxine wants to learn how to drive a bulldozer. Okay. Let's see. We'll zoom in. We're going to interview her. Maxine, why is it that you want to drive a bulldozer?
Because I'll never get a chance to do it again.
That's right. You might crash it. All right. Let's see. The throttle on your, the handle on your left is forward and reverse, left, right. You got that?
Okay.
The one on your right is your blade, six-way blade. Maybe I should shut this off to explain to you how this functions, and then we'll turn this back on in a bit. Okay, here we are. We moved the bulldozer out into the middle of the field. This way, it's far away from everybody down there. So we figured if something happens, maybe I can get on that thing and shut it down. All right, Max. What you got to do first is lift the panel in the front and turn your key to on. Open your throttle up. That's good. Turn the key over, crank it up, and then you'll lift. Now, that's good. Those two levers on by your feet, lift both of them up. Those unlock your tracks. Okay? Now, I showed you how to function the handles. You might want to give it a little more gas. Bring it up. There you go. There we go. Let's walk around this side. Maxine on a bulldozer. Now that is power. Go ahead. There she goes. Give it a little more gas. She's going to get daring now. Wave hi to your ma. There she goes. Let's see what she does. She is heading towards the building. Oh, there she's backing up now. Oh. You shifted into another gear. Twist it back into first. Nope, that's the third. Twist it this way. Yep. Go ahead, try it again. Now she's got to turn or she's going to go right through that building over there. Oh, there she goes. Let's see what kind of day this is today. Absolutely beautiful. A little cloudy though. We'll zoom in. My hands shake a little bit. Not that I'm nervous because my wife is behind the wheel of a bulldozer for her first time. See if we can get the expression on her face. Oh, there's a happy smile. All right, Adam. What do you think about your mom on a bulldozer?
I don't know.
You don't know? Trista?
It's no big deal.
What do you think?
I think Adam, stop it. I think that it looks nice. The view up there. She's turning around right now and going forward. She may redo our racetrack.
Uh-huh.
She ruined it.
Oh, here she comes. Smiling.
And it sure does vibrate because...
Oops,
But just because everybody gets vibrated out after they use it. They never want to use it anymore.
Uh-huh.
It just vibrates you. It shakes you all over. And it's like... Hi.
There we go. He's getting close. Krista's trying to talk to her. Okay, so what do you got to say?
I couldn't do this that many hours. I don't know how he does it. Why don't you keep?
Yep, you can feel the marrow in your bones shaking when you start going. Once you start really open it up and you open it where it's screaming in third gear, you vibrate.
I don't know how you do it for that many hours, Paul.
Because I have to.
As much as this thing vibrates.
I hear you better now.
Yep. Well,